Hiya, my name's David. I am the Wandering Ponderer. Wow, that's overgrown. I'm back and I'm out for a walk. I've got my minder behind me, the reliable informant, and just out for a little exercise, a short one, but I needed to see what the river was doing, and as you can see, it's pretty overgrown now. Look at that. Even though we've had a little bit of rain, I've got the sun behind me that way, so I don't want to blind you. But it looks like they've cut the hay down in the field over there, but no signs of baling, but I might have missed that. There's no telling. Oh, what's that bird? Falcon? Buzzard. I don't know whether you can see it. Up there, there's a buzzard. According to the reliable informant. And I had Jeff ask me what was going on with the water. I don't know, further down in the town, up this end by the hamlet up here, there's notices up that they're going to block the road up at some point this month, and the date I am not sure. If I find out, I'll put it down in the text, or I'll give you a picture of the sign and that will tell you. I'll put the sign up here somewhere along here. But there's progress that they're coming out, but our leak down in the town, I'm not sure. Maybe somebody can inform me. I'll try and find out before this goes out. But this is lovely, and the new trees they've put up. Old tree, this is a new tree. I don't understand why it's so so close to the old tree. Maybe they're going to get rid of it. This is where I get my tree hugging from. My reliable informant. Look at that beautiful tree. Well, that's a fairly old tree. So Jeff wanted to know where he misses, why he's missing his daily Wandering Ponderer videos, or rather he wanted to know where his daily Wandering Ponderer videos are, because he misses them. Or Jeff said that he misses his daily Wandering Pondering videos. Well, I've never ever made Wandering Pondering videos daily, so it can't be my videos that you're watching, Jeff, if you're watching them daily, unless you're catching up on the channel, because there's a lot of videos on the channel. I'm heading towards 200 now, so that won't be long. If I can get back into full swing. The popping seeds. Let's have a look. I'm being shown the popping seeds. These ones.
Better work now. Ready?
Go on then.
Not those weren't really ready either.
So, in case you're wondering how I am, I'm progressing. Still on the meds, and I'm on meds that apparently I've been told you're on for the rest of your life. I'm gonna sign off now. We're heading back. We go back and have some afternoon tea, because it's afternoon. But this is David signing off. Thank you for coming with me, and I'll update you on my progress in another video. At the moment I'm limiting to one video a week, but I will be back to my normal 2 videos status. I'm sorry to disappoint you, Jeff. I'm not up to every day just yet. But we're heading in the right direction. And this is all from the Wandering Ponder, signing off. And whatever is down there, please, if you haven't, please do, and stay safe.